Afternoon everyone. Today I want to talk about how mass media shape public consultation. Every day we see news, advertisement and social media posts that influence the way we think, feel and understand the world, but how often do we stop and ask who is listening what we see and how we see it. Mass media set the agenda by choosing which stories to highlight the fame event in specific ways that can change our opinion during a peaceful protest into a threat or making celebrity mistake into a national scandal. Repeated message, whatever true or not, can become accepted as common knowledge just because he hear them to offer often. Media also create stereotype and shape our understanding of our cultures, communities, and event ourselves. This can either bring people together or create division. In the world filled with information, it's important that we think critically about what we consume. Media is powerful, but so are we when I choose to question, research, and think for ourselves. Thank you.